Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And yes, this is Triple Play Saturday round 2. Now we got a nice, simple digital casual watch face that I think is worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. Now this one here is not free. It is a paid watch face, but they give you a trial run for 30 minutes to check it out to see if you like it. So if you like it, you can download it. If not, don't worry about it, but let's check it out anyway, right? Now, the name of the watch face is called 78 Degrees Icons. And as you can see, the icons are going around the bezel of the watch. And also, you got a nice theme that's going on in the background. Now, for the AOD mode, you do get a nice look so far as digital time. It's going to be in a black and white theme for the Gear 3 and the Gear 2. But the watch face design is going to differ from the Gear 2 to the Gear 3, but at least you get your digital time at a glance with no problem. Now, when the watch face is turned on, again, I like the theme that's going on in the background. This is not a bad look, and you got a little animation that's going on up under the 78 degrees, which I thought was a nice added touch. Now, what you get is a nice second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Also, you get nice big bold digital time dead center. You're going to get info on miles walked or ran, your heart rate information at the top. In the middle, you'll get your step info, battery info. Down at the bottom, you're going to get calories burned, floors climbed. Now, I thought this was a nice look for a digital watch face. And yes, you can customize the color theme of the watch face. At least your floating second hand and in the center. The color is going to vary as well. So I'm thinking not a bad look for a casual watch face, right? Just cycle through the many different colors that the watch face has to offer, and you're all good. What do you think, people? All right, you all, if you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy your weekend.